Okay, hi everyone. This is a revision for all the year 4 students. For all the year 4 students, you're required to use two software. One is Internet Explorer, another one is Microsoft Word. During this, in your syllabus, you're required to learn the features of Internet Explorer. For example, those security mode, in private mode, browsing, opening multiple tabs, multiple windows. Okay, how to add something, a website, how to save a website, how to open back a website, and anything that you can see, including these all these features inside the tools, inside the favorite, histories, which we have covered during the lesson. For this video, I'm just going to show you how are you going to do capture, copy of URL, pictures and contents into Microsoft Word. This is a standard procedures. You open up Microsoft Word. The first thing you do is type your name. So in here I type my name here. Next you have to type your class. Let's say you might be from 4A, 4U or 4S. Okay, just write down your class code and then you can begin. You need to read the question. Since you are required to copy contents from the internet, there will be keywords you need to use to search the internet. Usually a topic will be given to you. For an example, let's say Christmas is near, so let's say my topic is the Christmas celebration. So I need to type in what are the keywords that I use to search for information. So Christmas, first thing I write down, the keyword I use is Christmas. I also use the word Santa. If you use other keywords, you can just put it down, read the question and see how many keywords are required in the question. Let's just put down accordingly. So this is considered 3 keywords. Okay, Santa Claus is considered 1 word. Okay, now you have your keywords. Our things to do, next job is to use the Bing to search Christmas. Okay, usually you are required to download pictures first, followed by paragraph, followed by URL links and descriptions. So in this case, to search for Christmas, you can start with Christmas or you can start with the most popular, Santa Claus. Go to images. Okay, we need to wait for a while. The internet is quite slow. Okay, let me try again. Okay, now we found some beautiful images of Santa Claus. Let's say you like this picture, click on it and wait for the image to finish loading. Okay, the image is a bit big in this case. We can look at other images. If you want to download a high quality image, you have to click on the image until they open the page and copy. If you just want to copy the small image, then you can just right click on this page. Let's say this one. Let me find a popular one. Okay, you can just use this picture as, or you just use copy. Okay, this one will open. You can see it is opening a very big, a very large picture in high definitions. For our work, we don't need a high quality picture. Okay, so we just use a small picture as long as the picture can go in. Okay, you are required to resize the picture. You can make it bigger, and of course I hope you can add in the keyword, the topic yourself, which is, since you're doing Christmas, and you are required to do some decorations on what you have typed in. Okay, maybe in here I will just increase the size of the topic header. Okay, some of you would like to change the font. And some of you may want to use some features like word art to decorate it, or at least just change the word color to make it nicer. Okay, after the picture, okay, you have a choice in here where to put your paragraphs. Okay, if you want to reduce the size of the picture, you can choose to put your paragraph on the right, on the left, or at the bottom, or even all of them. So let's go and look for something related to this Santa Claus. Yes, this is a very popular place called Wikipedia, but Wikipedia contains a lot of links. Okay, let me just show you. And this is a normal, these other pages. Let's go in to both websites and see what we get. Okay, you look at this website. It's very simple. You just need to select by highlighting the words, okay, until the full stop. Right click on your mouse and choose copy. Then go back to Microsoft Word. Here you have to paste at the bottom first, no choice. Press enter. Right click, okay, or if it doesn't respond, okay, usually it will respond. This is the original fonts, or you can just paste as what you want in your Microsoft Word and then do your own setting. Okay, so this is really up to you. Okay, let's look at Wikipedia again. Okay, what I mentioned, what I do not like about Wikipedia is You can see there are some hyperlinks here which will bring you to different places, and it looks very ugly when you copy this into your Microsoft Word. That is why I do not recommend Wikipedia unless you want to manually remove all these little links. Okay, to decorate this picture, this page, you can do something like this. Okay, right click on the picture, go to wrap text, choose type. Now you can see, you can pull down a bit. Okay, erase the empty space. Okay, fine, it is done. So some of you would like to change the font. Okay, change the font into other fonts that is beautiful, proper. Increase the font size. Okay, so this is called one paragraph. If you are required to do 2 paragraphs, what you need to do is press an enter key and continue looking for contents from the internet. Let's say you are required to do 2 paragraphs, then you can copy another paragraph from the internet and just paste it into Microsoft Word. If you are required to do 3 paragraphs, you can repeat this process again. Now, after this copy and paste, you are also required to do copy and paste the URL. Okay, what is URL and where are they? For example, here, this page where you have copied down your first paragraph, you can click on it, right click, copy, and then right click and paste. Okay, if your computer takes a long time to respond on your right click, you can even press Ctrl V to paste it in. Okay, now I paste it in, I press enter key, and you can see they highlighted. You are required to do description on what you have pasted inside. So for example, I will say this URL contains basic information about Santa Claus. So as I mentioned, like paragraph, similar to paragraph, you may require to do more than one URL. Okay, read the question. If you need to do more than one URL, so for example, you can copy from Wikipedia, copy, come to here, Ctrl V to paste it in, and then you can do your description again. Okay, just write down some description. So I did mention you can do some decorations. So some of you may want to add some design. For example, your page border. You can select something that is related to this event, or something that simply you like it. Okay, simply if you like it. Now you can see stars for the border, and you can underline, you can increase the font size, reduce the font size, just to make it nice and fit in one single page. Okay, you are required to do, you can use one page, you can use more than one page. It is really up to the student, up to you. But I do not recommend you to copy or do more than what the questions want. For example, if I say I just want 2 paragraphs and I don't expect you to give me 3 paragraphs, If you do so, marks will be reduced. Okay, the more paragraph you give me, I will reduce more marks because you are not following the question. Okay, that's it. This is a simple revision for Year 4 student. I'm Mr. Fong here from Austin High. I hope you enjoy this learning. Thank you.